Alright guys, coming at you with a quick video here. I want to give you another update on the new micro solar generator. This is just a sneak peek number 2. So I figure I'd go over some of the wiring since it's out of the box and show you what I'm doing. This is a 24 volt and a 12 volt bus using a buck converter here to step things down. I'm using a battery here from my other generator I just pulled out as the power source. It's coming out and it's going into a relay here. And then from the relay, the relay gets turned off and on by the top switch here. So if I go ahead and do that, it will power on the buck converter and also this shunt meter that's coming through. So this gets powered on when the relay gets turned on here. And I'll do a final video on this to show you everything, how it works and so forth. This is just kind of some of the guts here. I also have some lights here to show you. So these are actually super bright. Let me turn the lights off. Looks pretty good. So super impressed with those. 2 on the front, 1 on each side, none on the back of the generator. So having these lights out in the field as I'm flying, doing night missions with my drone, it's going to be super helpful. So the signal flow from the relay, relay gets turned on, and then things go to my 24 volt bus, negative and positive. I just have a single positive connection right here. Everything is hot here, and then it gets stepped down to my buck converter, and then from there I'm actually going to go into another meter on the generator. It's going to measure the 12 volt side. All my other devices on the generator will be powered through 12 volt. So 24 volt for storage and charging, step down to a 12 volt buck converter for all my accessories. Just turned the lights on for the generator and plugged the phone in. So between those two devices and a little bit of draw off the buck converter, this thing is pulling about 11 watts at about 27 volts here. So all these meters information will be really helpful once I have everything assembled here on the generator. Alright guys, going to finish up the video here. Just a quick update for you. Sorry it's been so long since I put out a video and an update on this, but I'm pretty excited to get this finished up the next week or two. Obviously the biggest challenge here is getting everything to fit in that box because it's pretty tight. I've done a lot of measuring and figured things out. All the components fit. It's just managing the wires and making sure I can work around those. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll get this thing together, do another video here, work on the battery, which is next, and I have all the cells, so those are ready to go. Spot weld, use some fuses, and it should be good to go. Again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.